camera. Got a real line.
It is 1:40 p.m. Monday afternoon, October 1st, 2024, Joliet, Illinois. It's the BNSF Railway Southern Transcon. This single track is former Chicago Rock Island and Pacific Main Line, now used by Iowa Interstate Freights and CSX Transportation Freights. This is Sperry inspecting the Diamond Crossing here at Joliet. Gonna do like an ultrasonic test? Gonna do like an ultrasonic test?
Yes, sir.
Okay, he's preparing the Diamond Crossing for an ultrasonic test. The far two tracks of the former Gulf Mobile, Ohio Railroad main line between Chicago and St. Louis, now Union Pacific Railroad Joliet Subdivision. The BNSF, these first two tracks are the BNSF Railway Chillicothe Subdivision, originally the Atchison, Topeka, Santa Fe Railway.
Do you know Marzano?
Here's the rig that's going to do the ultrasonic testing, I imagine. This is BNSF Railway, I-Rail. How often do you have to do this? How often do you have to do this?
Just about half.
Yeah, okay.
You're fine. Yeah.
First time I've ever seen this jet. This will get a lot of views on my video. I have a buddy that works on Sperry detector cars in Europe. I'll have to send him this video. Is that some kind of grease? They're just going to do an ultrasonic test for the rails, Ted. They're just going to do an ultrasonic test. That's what he's putting on the rail for the test. They're replacing some boats. It's like not only ultrasonic testing, some boats are being replaced in that Diamond Crossing. Tightening the boat now. Will you be doing an ultrasonic test after this, or?
No, those are supposed to go in here.
Oh, a new diamond crossing? Yeah, new diamond crossing's gonna go in.
check that none of them are broke.
They just get loose and fall out. Some of them, like especially in the wintertime, when the track's almost in your reach. So everything coming in here, it'll start pulling back. It takes time. It don't move. That rail does, and when it does, it'll shear them bolts off.
Oh, wow.
Then they got to get like, rail steady stuff, line it up down as far as they can go with it, and it throws the rail back and then it bolts up.
So it won't be any quieter. They'll be
They do have different kinds of frogs. Some that lift up over, and they have a deeper trench going.
when it came through Illinois. Rochelle. Not Rochelle. LaGrange came through LaGrange and the
Oh,
that was awesome. That
Don't
was on
let
my
yourself on YouTube. Here's my card.
okay. Thank you.
Need a couple more. Here, a couple more if you need them.
Any of you guys do transponder or no?
I'm around it plenty, that's for sure.
What I'm looking for there is last time in the afternoon, a local BNSF local went west with a Santa Fe caboose, no graffiti. Do you know if that's operating today, or would you think it starts at Joliet Yard?
I'm not sure if those
So nothing
the non-graffiti ones
Oh,
are,
yeah, we gotta get
are like
past that.
unicorns. You don't see those very often.
All right,
Oh, you got
But no, I'm not sure.
right.
The only thing behind us that I know of for now is a yard engine. Probably going to Joliet.
Uh huh.
But this way, there was some coming. Nothing can come through right now. There's a derailed truck up there. But, yeah.
We're in Joliet.
No, on 80.
It's
Oh, down that way.
like milepost 46. This is 37, I believe. So, about 9 miles up the way. I'm waiting on you.
Well, looks like their work on the diamond crossing is completed. Take care. Take care.
Alright, you guys be careful.
Yep.
Yeah, we don't want no derailments. What can this truck do?
What's that?
What can this truck do?
Pretty much. Yeah. Like, when we're real cold outside, cut the rail, stands and tracks. We use this thing here for pulling it all back together. So we gas and then you put the whole thing in. Keep everything together. Pulls the spine. It's just the main stuff we need to take the rail or whatever.
Oh, okay.
And we got, you know, all your wrenches and all that stuff in there. Hey, you guys have a
Take
good
care.
Good to it. There's your money.
And here we have a Metro Rock Island District train arriving Joliet from LaSalle Street Station, Chicago, Illinois. A little bit about Joliet. Population of Joliet's 150,362. And here we're looking at UD Tower, former UD Tower, stands for Union Depot. Now it's a museum, open several days per week. It's a it goes back to 1913. It's a museum now open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Let's have a look at Joliet Union Station. Built 1912, closed to trains in 2014. Owned by the City of Joliet. Two-thirds of it is owned by the City of Joliet and 1/3 by Metro. And it is now 2:04 p.m. on a beautiful Tuesday afternoon, October 1st, 2024. Joliet, Illinois, over and out.